Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. As always, I appreciate all the support. Tonight we have a monthly unboxing of Alpha Outpost. If you've been following the channel, I've been doing them for quite a while now, and I really enjoy receiving these boxes and doing these unboxings. Not just for your pleasure, but it's awesome to see the cool things that come in these boxes as well. Stay tuned after the intro and we'll get right into it. Welcome back, everybody. Thank you guys for coming back to the channel. Hope you're enjoying the content. Hope everybody's doing great. Hope everybody is staying COVID free. It seems to be getting a little bit better, but you never know. But anyway, tonight we're going to do an unboxing of my monthly Alpha Outpost. If you're not familiar with Alpha Outpost, it is a monthly outdoor subscription box. If you want to sign up or you're interested in trying it, your first box is $5, and you get your first box and you say you like it, and you will, and you want to sign up after that. Any boxes therein after are $39.95 plus shipping. So $40 basically, you get a box of cool stuff, and at least one item in each package pretty much rounds out to the $40. In my experience, after doing so many of them, you definitely get your money's worth. It's $40, it's well spent, and it's really, really cool stuff. Let me quit blabbering and let's get right into this. This month is March, and this box is called the Viking. And I have a feeling there's pretty cool stuff in here, because Viking beards equal, awesomeness, of course. So I actually happen to have one of their knives that I received in one of their other boxes. And if you guys remember this one, nice little throwing knife. So let's tear into this box. So how I do this, if you're new to the channel, I usually unbox it with you guys. I'll wait if I have to, but usually I'll do it the same day I get the box. But everything that you see, I see first too. It's a little heavy too, so that's a good thing. Alright, what do we got in here? Alright. I can't really see much, but let's see. And always, you get one of these, it tells you the contents of the package, a little bit of history about the items in the package, and I can tell you right now, this is an awesome box. Right away, you'll notice that you get a nice thick, kind of a morale type patch, and it's a really thick patch, and I have mine up on my wall right over to my right. Really thick patches, really nice patches. This is really awesome. Wow. The first thing we'll go over, I'm going to unwrap it real quick so it ain't so loud. Check that out. How awesome is that? And this is called, let me look it up real quick. That's the nice thing about these. They tell you what it is. This is a Kuxa wooden cup made of high quality rubber wood that is eco-friendly, safe, easy to clean, and durable to use. Our Kuxa cup complements your outdoor lifestyle and is very lightweight and easy to carry. Hang it on your backpack or hang it in your kitchen. Check that out. I want to say it's probably one cup, one cup, I want to say. It's got their nice little emblem right there. That's a really nice cup. And it says rubber wood. I've never heard of rubber wood. I don't know if I just never wasn't paying attention, or it's pretty cool. It's kind of got like a bend to it, but it's definitely a wood. It's really cool. I like it, and I'll probably 100% use this. It's got a little clip on your backpack. Very nice, very, very nice. I like it. I love getting these boxes, guys. This is so awesome. And this next one, oh man, that's. Let me get the zip ties off and the paper off, so I'm not boring you guys and hurting your ears by taking it off, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, sorry about that. I just didn't want to blow your eardrums out because I don't know if my mic's loud. Sometimes it gets loud, sometimes it's soft. So with any Viking, you have to have a badass weapon. Check that out. That is awesome. Oh yeah. Guys, how freaking cool is that? And this thing's got some weight to it too. It's probably a little over a pound, I want to say. Maybe a little less than a pound, I don't know. But nonetheless, that's badass. Get a little close up on that so you guys can see it. And it's not, this is plastic, the handle's plastic, but this, and of course, let's see, this is a double-bladed tactical Viking axe. The Viking axe is a double the duty with two huge sharpened blades. The cast stainless steel head is thick, hefty, and built for durability and strong use. The black oxide coating gives the battle axe a tactical look and feel. The axe is securely attached to a sturdy fiberglass and nylon reinforced handle with 3 separate bolts. It comes complete with the nylon strap snap button sheath. That's really cool, guys. Check that out. And sharpness, that's pretty sharp. I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty sharp. And it comes with a nice sheath. See if it's, yeah, you can put it around your belt. Very freaking awesome. This is why I love getting these belts, guys, because you never know what you're gonna get, and you never know what the name of the box is, and it's always got cool stuff in it. Whether it's hanging up on your wall or you're going out on the trail and, you know, I don't know, cooking some or killing some food for later, or just total badass. And finally, I go over this every time. It tells you the contents of what's in the box, gives you a little history of what a Viking is. And you guys don't need me to read this. You guys obviously know what a Viking is. So very good box. Once again, they do not disappoint. Guys, if you're interested in trying a box just to see if you like it, remember it's $5. If you like it after you get it, and you will, I promise, anything after that is $39.95 plus shipping and handling. Very cool box. I've enjoyed every box that I've received this far, and it's probably been over a year, actually. I just really enjoy unboxing these for you guys, and I hope you enjoy them. Until next month and the next unboxing, take care, guys. Peace out.